Okay, so I guess I'll start off. Here are the Air Maxes you got, and I changed the laces a little bit over here, and they weren't going all the way up to this top hole, and they were just kind of out here. And if I was going to wear them loose, this is how I would wear them, because they're just nice and soft, easy to get on and off, pretty comfortable. You all love these. Figure I'd do a little video here showing them with some white socks. But the actual purpose of this video is to show you these. Now along the back here, these are the ones that you were requesting. The pink Air Max 90s, the red, white, and blue 90s. These are the Air Max 90 off-white. Now, these are size 11.5. These are 11.5. These are size 12. The reason they're size 12 is when I tried them on when they were new, the size 11 was just way too tight. These are the deconstructed. You can see everything is just kind of like half done, so they feel a lot softer than the others do. Here's another pair of Air Max 1s. These are size 11.5. And another pair of Air Max 1s, size 11.5. These are fat. These are the Wolf Gray. I think they were selling for used $120 to $150, 11.5. This pair here is blue and orange, and these are Nike ID ones I actually designed on Nike's website. I got these in a size 12 because I wanted them to be loose, but surprisingly they fit almost identical to the rest of them. It doesn't make much sense. Let's see, you can see it, Nike ID. But yeah, these are the ones I have up here. There is another pair that I had that I thought you might be interested in. Let me see if I can make some room here. I'm not sure if you've seen these before. They're the BW, Nike Air Max BW. They're a hybrid because the top is the BW and then the bottom is I think the Air Max 98. So it's a BW 98 hybrid. Pretty tight. I think these are a size 12 as well. Nope, size 11. Okay. I'll say, because I remember these didn't fit very, they were a little snug, but I've kind of broken them in. They're pretty tight. But yeah, these are the ones I've pulled out for you so far. Let me pull these over. And of course, have yours on here. So I was going to get these mailed out to you today, but that didn't happen because you were interested in some of the others that I have. But yeah, these are tight, bro. Oops. I want to get footprints on the new cabinets. Those aren't cabinets. Yeah, those are cabinets. And then countertops. Okay, I'm out. Later, bro.